In this video, I want to show you guys a new prepaid phone service powered by Verizon Wireless. They don't officially own it, but they are heavily invested in this company. So I ordered a SIM yesterday around 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and I received it today, not even 24 hours, via FedEx. As you can see, the tab's still there. I haven't opened it. So here's that. Woo, a little dusty. And I'm wondering what's in here. Oh, just a SIM. This is all you get. Nothing else. So I'm just gonna throw this away. This is what you get. This is a SIM. It looks like it's a 3-in-1 pre-cut SIM card. So if you have like a standard SIM or standard phone, micro, nano, you could use just one SIM for it. And then it also comes with a SIM ejection tool. And then you also have instructions. This is how it works. And you pop out old SIM using the tool and insert new SIM. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then download and launch the Visible app, which I already did. I'm using an old iPhone. I think it's in my pocket. An old iPhone 6 Plus that I have laying around. So I'm going to put it in here. I already downloaded the app, but I'll show you guys how to do this. And then there's on-screen directions from the app. And that's it. So hopefully it's that easy. Again, I haven't done it yet. This is my first time getting this service. And hence, I'm showing you guys what you get when you order a SIM from Visible. So this is going to be a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new, feel free to like this video and also subscribe. Check out my other videos of Postmates, Uber Eats, Amazon Flex, and just the daily vlogs that I've done in the past. For my work phone, I am using Mint SIM. That's my current work phone service provider. And because they don't have an unlimited data, I checked out Visible, and they do have an unlimited data service. It's only one service. They only offer one plan, and it's $40 a month, unlimited everything. But you do get a data cap of 5 megabytes per second download, and I believe it's also upload. But I've also seen videos of people testing the speed test, and they're getting above 6. It's not bad at all. You're gonna be able to surf the web, check social media, watch YouTube videos, Netflix, and also work with these online gigs. So again, if you're new, make sure you subscribe so then you can see future videos of me testing out Visible. I'm gonna do some rundowns with Visible as well as my Verizon grandfather unlimited data plan, so you guys can see what kind of speeds I get on both services. And I forgot to mention, this is for iPhone users only. This is an open beta test in a way. It was in a closed beta for the first couple of months, and they recently opened it up for the public to test out. Again, Android will come soon. They don't have an official launch date for that, but if you have an iPhone or you plan to get an iPhone, this is for you. I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.